Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple apple catching game on Scratch. So the first thing we need to do is get an apple sprite from the sprites menu, which you just hover over here and click the choose a sprite button, and then apple should be the first thing here. And then the next thing that we need to get is a bowl. So here, bowl, you're going to be playing as a bowl, which will go left and right, and apples are gonna be falling from the sky and you have to try to catch them. So let's get rid of this cat, and first we're gonna be adding code to the bowl sprite. So the first thing that we have to do is make the bowl bigger because it's way too small. So first of all, go to events, when green flag clicked, looks, and set size to 150%. So let's try that out, and yep, that's a good size. And we need to make it go towards the middle. So first of all, just drag this here and then go to motion and then go to this and change the X to 0 so it comes to the complete middle. Let's try that out now. Okay, so there. Now the next thing that we need to do is make the bowl move left and right when we hit the left and right arrow keys. So go to events, when space key pressed, and now change the space to right arrow. Go to motion and click change X by 10, and then you can just duplicate that and change it to left arrow and change this to the -10 so it goes the opposite direction. So let's try that out now, and yep, it's going this. If you want this to move a bit faster, then you can change this to 20 instead of 10, so 20 and -20, and if you see it, it goes faster. Now the next thing that we have to do is that we have to make the apples fall randomly from the sky. So first go to the apple sprite and go to events, when green flag clicked, go to control, repeat until, and inside we're going to be adding a create a clone of myself. So this is going to keep on creating clones, and we also have to add a wait block because then it'll just keep on going like at a very rapidly fast speed. So we should add this to 0.3 seconds, and we're gonna be adding a timer, so like you have 30 seconds to catch as many apples. So once we create that, then we can add this. So let's create that first. So variables, make a variable, and for this you can write timer and click OK, and this is gonna be popping up here. So for this timer we have to do another when green flag clicked, then set timer to, so if you have 30 seconds. The next thing that you have to do is add a repeat until block, and inside we have to do operators and add an equal sign, and where the 50 is we have to add a 0 and put timer in the other empty bubble. So it's gonna be repeating this, the function that we're gonna be adding inside here until the timer is equal to 0. So the next thing that we have to do is add a change timer by -1, and we also have to add a wait second. So this will keep on every second, it will reduce the timer. So if we try that, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, yeah, so the timer will keep on going. And so we're gonna have to do this, repeat until the same thing, repeat until timer equals to 0. You just duplicate that and add this here. Let's do that. So 1, 2, cloning very fast. So what you can do is you can increase the time of clone, so in your 0.6 seconds, if you just do that. But as you can see, these aren't exactly falling down yet, so these are just cloning, so we just need to make it fall down. But before that, we need to make it so they don't just start popping up the minute we start the game. So we want to give it a few seconds. So, oops. Get a hide block from the looks menu and put it underneath the when green flag clicked, and then go to control. Wait 1 second, you can change it to 1.5, and then go back to looks, and then add a show block. So now it'll take 1.5 seconds before starting to show up. And now the next thing that we want to do is make it fall. So go to control, and when I start as a clone, click it to motion. The X, go to X, Y, and the X can go anywhere between this end to this end, and the Y needs to be like at top, so it actually looks like it's falling. So this up, like this measurement, this would be 180 up here, so we want to make it like 200. And for the X, we can pick random between 270 and minus 270, so it'll be over here. So if we try that, yeah, they're up there, except the first one we just want to make it hide. Let's just stop the game. So now we actually have to make the apples fall down from the sky, and I'm going to be showing that in part 2 of this video. Make sure you check that out too, and please like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.